Hello crafty friends, it's Sophia Hodgson from Rusty Blue 85. If you've been watching my YouTube channel this year, then you'll know that I started bullet journaling this year, and this is my Archer and Olive for 2020. It's getting good and fat now. I've just this minute set up my October month. So if you want to see that, I'll link to that at the end. But yeah, getting towards the end of 2020 now, I literally have no idea where the whole of this hideous year has gone. But yeah, so beginning to think about new planners for the new year. So as I know that I love the Archer and Olive, and this is my blackout journal that I use for other kind of more personal stuff, and I use where are they? I use all of the Sakura jelly rolls in this one. So I've got multiple Archer and Olives, so I decided that I was going to get another Archer and Olive for 2021. And this is it. It has arrived. They always come in these gorgeous boxes. These boxes are adorable. I'm so totally and utterly in love with this one. So this is not a blackout journal. You can see from the pages they're not black, they're or silver. So they're normal white dot grid, but the cover is black and sparkly, and it has a moon and stars on it, and I love it. It's so pretty. Oops. I had this problem last time. So I went for the 192 page dot grid. If I just get a few bits and pieces out of the way. So this is the blackout, and I think that's a 160. And my green one is also a 192. So I originally started bullet journaling in the Leuchtturm, and I hated the fact that it was ghosting and I could see it all, and it was driving me insane. So January and February of 2020 are in another bullet journal, so this just contains March to October at the moment. And I'm almost to the end. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this one, but I figured I would get the 192, and then I've got space to do special spreads that I may want to try out for next year. So I just think it's really pretty and sparkly. So it's the white pages that I love, and gorgeous black and sparkly, which is so me. So that's just an unboxing of my 2021 bullet journal. So I'm going to be using this for 2021, hopefully be able to fit the whole of 2020 into this green one. And as I said, they come in these gorgeous boxes, so you can kind of store them away, and you know, if you want to, write on the front which bullet journal you've got. So I think, I'm not entirely sure, I will try a kind of black and silver aesthetic in this. I'll probably see some amazing new colour scheme and decide that, you know, kind of black and silver is committing myself to too narrow a colour scheme, and I'll end up with all sorts of exciting colours in there anyway. But, you know, kind of I think for the main setup I'll go for black and silver, because earlier this year, I went for a kind of black and gold 1920s Art Deco style. But when I moved into this one, it became more green and gold, purely because of the cover. So we'll see how that goes. The only complaint that I would have about Archer and Olive is my cat's cat hair, like, sticks all over it. Because it's fabric, it just seems to attract them. So only complaint that I would have is because the covers are fabric, you get covered in cat hair everywhere. Awesome. Anyway, that was my unboxing of my 2021 planner. It's just a very, very quick update. and I hope that you want to see my previous monthly setups in my 2020 bullet journal. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing and clicking the little bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post something new to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!